Are you passionate about science and have a flair for writing? Step into the high-impact world of medical writing, where your words shape global healthcare. Today's pharmaceutical, biotech, and CRO industries are in urgent need of skilled medical writers. From drafting clinical study reports to regulatory submissions and scientific publications, the demand is skyrocketing. Welcome to the Medical Writing Online Certification course by Royd Training. In this industry-focused training, you'll master the art of crafting clinical study reports, investigator brochures, informed consent forms, and safety documents. You'll also learn how to prepare scientific publications, manuscripts, and abstracts, all aligned with GCP and global regulatory guidelines. In the Medical Writing course by Royd Training, learners gain hands-on experience in MLR, medical, legal, and regulatory review process, an essential step in ensuring document compliance and accuracy. The course includes practical simulations on how MLR reviews are conducted, flagged, and finalized in real-world pharma and healthcare communication settings. It's online, self-paced, and packed with real-life simulations, templates, and certification that add weight to your resume. Whether you're a life science graduate, a clinical research professional, or someone looking to enter the fast-growing field of medical writing, this course is designed just for you. Step into a career that blends science with communication. Enroll now in Royd's Medical Writing Online Certification course and write your way to success.